This is a targeted intervention group on perimeter. The objective is the students will be able to determine the perimeter of a shape. The series of activities begin with introducing the skill. I view a short video from Khan Academy on perimeter of a shape. I bring the students to an area of the room where I can use the whiteboard and they can use theirs. I introduce their I can statement for the week, which is I can find the perimeter of a shape. The second day, the students will be practicing with a partner. They'll find the perimeter of a monkey, which is over here. And then they will be able to create their own animal on the grid. So here's the first one, that's the monkey. And the second day, they'll be able to create their own animal and then determine the perimeter of that animal. On the third day of this series, the students will be practicing determining perimeter. They're working with their partners to figure out the perimeter of the shapes. On the fourth day of this series, I'll be checking in with the students and going over the sheet that they did the previous day in the independent practice. In the last section of this, the students will be able to go to an interactive, which is everything you wanted to know about perimeter area. And the students can go to perimeter. It gives them a brief overview of what perimeter is. And then there's a game that they can play associated with it. And again, different levels, so students can start out easy and work their way up. And of course, the assessment at the end, another version of the worksheet that they did in the independent practice. 12 questions, and the students just need to find the perimeter of these 10 questions. Students need to find the perimeter of these irregular polygons. And some of the side links are left off, and students have to use a little bit of knowledge of perimeter in order to determine the missing side length. And that's an overview of the Perimeter Targeted Skills Group.